the YouTube channel of Oils Are Blessings. My name is Sam, and in this episode, I will share with you how I share my oils. If you have been following me on Instagram or in Facebook, you already know that I had difficulty sleeping in the past. I found the solution to my problem when I started using essential oils. Syempre, when you find something that helps you and you know that it will help other people, naturally, you would like to share the blessings to others as well. That's why today, I will share with you how I share my oils. When you sign up with Young Living, you will receive one diffuser, 11 5 ml essential oils, 2 pockets of Ningxia Red, and sharing accessories, which is basically your bottles and cards that you can use, of course, to share to your loved ones. Since my sharing bottles are all used up already, yung napamigay na, nagamit na yung iba, what I use now are vials, yung perfume vials, 1 ml, 2 ml, or the spray bottles or roller bottles, which are readily available in Shopee. If I use the vials, so it's a choice of placing drops of essential oils or drops of essential oils plus carrier oil. If it's the roller bottle or the spray bottle, so it's still just a few drops of essential oils and lots of carrier oil. This will make it last longer and your loved ones will be able to spread it to a larger area. Today, I will be diluting a lavender essential oils so that my friend Lai will be able to experience the wonders of essential oil. So why are we using lavender essential oil today? Well, she asked for something to help her with her stress. And lavender is actually known to help lessen your stress and promote sleep. So it's time to dilute and share our blessings. So first off, our 5 ml bottle and carrier oil. So we place carrier oil hanggang dun sa neck. And then your essential oil. And we will just need 3 drops. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. So that's all you need. Place the roller fitment on top. Screw with the cap. Yeah. Hanggang sa maglapat sila. Oh. And then check if it's there. Okay, so that's it. That's as simple as it gets. Yeah. You can make this and give it as a gift for Christmas, birthday, or whatever occasion that you can think of. Just place it in a cute pouch, place a card, you're good to go. Or you can also place it in a bigger card. Tapos, lagyan mo na lang washi tape and then your message. Cute. So just be creative on how you want to present your gift. So that, my friends, is how I share my oils. If you like this video, you got inspired, please do click the like button, subscribe, and click that bell so that you will be notified the next time I have another video. If you want to learn more about essential oils, please do follow me on Facebook or Instagram and look for Oils Are Blessings. If you want to have your own oils and be a member of Young Living, I will leave the link below. That's it for us today. So again, my name is Sam, and I hope to see you again in my next video. Bye! Peace and blessings!